We are here, we are here, we are here. One is an amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, Auxiliary Analysis, and we are marking up APE USD. Take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, as candle to the right-hand side, is a small candle. If you have a longer wick, it could be a doji. It's a small candle, so this market's kind of indecisive. Got to wait for the next candle to form. So this is not a strong candle at all. So marking up the charts, price action, higher highs, lower lows, midpoint. Price action started at second level lows, pushed up, came back down from a single top. Because of the first candle on the chart, came up for a long retest. It could be a double top and a retest, and that market pushed down. Price action did break that midpoint of that overall structure. So as we walk down, we're going to see if we're going to identify a break and retest. And price action candle and second last candle is close together. So it could be forming a pattern, maybe something like a double bottom, or it could be like on the first or second leg of that market structure, or a double bottom or double top. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action, last candle in the market is a doji. Bullish, showing that the market may be trying to work its way up. So it stopped at an area of support. Price action, second last candle, side by side. That creates a double bottom. So we may see that as we walk down the time frame, and we can see the overall pattern in that area is a first leg, second leg, third leg, and market pushed down for a fourth. So we had received a double top. Market broke the midpoint. Price action could be coming back to the midpoint to return to push down further. So we have to see what's going to happen in this area here. Headed down to the daily time frame. Price action on the daily time frame is identifying. Let's draw it out. Coming down in red, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once. This area is identifying a triple bottom or double bottom and a retest, and market pushed. Price action candle is engulfed in the previous area. You can wait for that candle to grow a little further, maybe for the second or third candle, or wait to see if this price action candle is just a retest to that top for that market to drop down. So a few things could be forming: the first, second, third, fourth, retest one, and we get a break and retest of this area here, and see that market keep following and work its way up. Or we may receive multiple pushes to the top for the first, second, third, identify a engulfment bearish candle to this side here, market drops down from a double top, or if it can consolidate that area. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is a push up to the top, bullish candle. So what the price is doing is tagging that area, just like the previous side here. Let's draw what we see. So the market did that a total of 3 times. The market broke, came back to retest once, came back for overall retest twice, came back for overall retest currently now for that third time. And we can see that W at that bottom forming. And this could be the area we maybe look for the break and retest for that market to work its way up. If not, we're looking for an engulfment pattern here in red. Red candle closes out to push that candle back down to this area. And if that candle breaks this area, look for the break and retest for that market to work its way down, or we just may receive area consolidation inside here. Headed down to the 3-hour time frame. So on the 3, price action is a bearish candle. It's retesting that midpoint that's in between that candle with the second last candle. It could be tagging that area for a retest to work its way up. So price second last candle was a break. Price action would be the retest. If we receive a green candle on this side, it can push that market up. If not, we are looking for a bearish red candle. May not be this candle, maybe a second and third candle following close out. You want to close out below the second last candle or form a pattern in that area that's going to identify that market to push down. Or we may just see that area just consolidate at that above the area that midpoint of price of this area. We see that consolidation sideways. Headed down to the 2. So price action on the 2-hour time frame. Price action is a doji, so that's a retest of the previous candle. Second last candle is a spike up to the high, so it just tagged this high as it's been identifying in the previous time frames. And so the market pushed up, came back to retest. So it's sitting right here to see what it's going to do. It's going to push up again or push down. But if it pushes up and the market is going to break out, we will want to see price action engulf the third to last candle and close out. We take one candle, multiple candles. You want to see something close out above that for that market to identify, or maybe a pattern may identify that area, that midpoint to push up. Headed down to the 1-hour time frame. Price action on 1 hour is a retest. So price action second last candle, third to last candle is coming from a retest. So it's like a double top. So market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, pushed down to that midpoint of the third to last candle, and market can press out of here. And as you can see, it's like a double bottom forming that area. If not, we receive a bearish red candle. And if we do look for the closeout, we're looking for the closeout for the third to last candle in the market. That market to push down. Maybe the fourth to last candle too. You may want that price action candle close below that doji wick, or at least the body. See what's going to do. Headed down to the 45-minute. Same as well. For 1 hour 45, it's identifying the same thing. 30 minutes as well. It's identifying the same thing. We just got a little bit of a push to that midpoint area. So it came back for a retest. Headed down to the 15. See a pattern. So 30 to 15 is identifying the same thing at that midpoint, but below price. That's just a pattern here of a W first, second, third, and market pushed up for that fourth. So we're going to see if we're going to receive a break and retest as that market push up on the 15-minute time frame, headed down to the 5. Price actions a pin up to the top, showing that price action just tagged that area once, twice. We got to see what it's going to do. You want to see a price action candle engulf this doji or this area here close out to see that market push. You want to see the break of that resistance on a 5-minute time frame. On a 3-minute time frame, identifying the same thing. See that W formation, 2-week candles, dojis, 2 pins up to the top, double top pattern. So we're going to see what's going to do. Now this market can drop back down from that second last candle, but we'll see. Headed down to the 1-minute time frame. Price action forming that area retest. So we have the first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest. So price action is the retest of this previous side here. We're going to see if we receive a additional. So it's pushing up. So we want that candle to close above the second last candle. See that market's going to push up further, and we can see that market will be coming from some type of W of the first, second, third, push up in that area. Overall W, and we have a retest W in that area. Okay, guys, very important information. Please study and review for its pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Also, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. Ape, USD, crypto.